Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Waalaikumsalam.
morning, viewers. I am Ahmad Rifan Raihan. I will read the news about five natural disasters in early 2021, from the Sumedang landslide to the Sulbar earthquakes. The year 2021 began with various side events in the midst of the COVID-19 outbreak that continues to infect Indonesia. Such news emerged because of the occurrence of a number of natural disasters that claimed levels in a number of areas in Indonesia. A number of these natural disasters also occurred in the midst of the tragic crash of Sriwijaya Air SJ-182 in the water of the Thousand Island, Jakarta on Saturday, 9 January 2021. The first natural disaster that occurred in early 2021 was landslide in Sumedang, West Java on Saturday, 9 January 2021. Then it continued to the occurrence of number of natural disasters and several other areas ranging from floods, earthquakes to volcanic eruption. The following are four natural disasters that occurred in early 2021. Number 1. Landslide in Sumedang, West Java. The landslide disaster in Sumedang occurred on January 9, precisely in Cihanjung Village, Cimanggung district. The slide occurred twice, normally at 60 past WIB and at 90 past WIB. From the temporary data, there were 1,020 people who were displaced due to the disaster. So far, 36 people have died. Head of the Center for Disaster Data Information in communication of the head of the Center for Disaster Data Information on Communication of the National Disaster Management Agency BNPB. Raditya Jati Said, the search for landslide victims was hampered by rainy weather. In addition, this party also recommended to be vigilant against subsequent landslide. The region is the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency (BMKG) reported that there were still cracks at several landslide locations, so the joint team needs to maintain safety when evacuating the site. Number 2. Flood in South Kalimantan. Heavy rain accompanied by lightning and strong wind on January 12 at 40 resulted in flood that inundated several areas in South Kalimantan. One of the areas that was severely affected by this flood disaster was Balangan Regency, which is located in the northern part of South Kalimantan. Based on the reported from the BNPB Operation Control Center on Saturday, 60 January 2021 at 2 past WIB, there were 3,571 houses in Balangan that were flooded. Flood in Balangan were caused by heavy rains, which caused the overflow of the Balangan and Pitap River. The Balangan Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPBD) said that currently the flood had not reached, with the water level being monitored at around 1,050 centimeters. Number 3. Earthquake in West Sulawesi. The earthquake in West Sulawesi occurred on Thursday, 40 January 2021. The opening earthquake with a magnitude of 5.9 occurred in Majene, West Sulawesi, then followed by a second earthquake that also occurred in Majene with a magnitude of 6.2 on Friday, 50 January 2021. Early in the morning, BNPB reported as of Sunday, 17 January 2021 at 20 past WIB. The total number of victims ordered from the Mamuju Majini earthquake was 81 people. Raditya, in his written statement, reported that 81 victims were detailed of 70 people dead in Mamuju Regency and 11 people in Majene Regency. Currently, BPBD, Majene Regency, Mamuju Regency, and Polawali Mondar Regency continue to collect data and coordinate with the TNI Polri, Basarnas, volunteers, and other agencies in the community operation process. Number 4. Floods and landslides in Manado. South Sulawesi, floods and landslides occurred in Manado City, North Sulawesi on Saturday, 60 January 2021 at 69 WITA. The disaster caused by high intensity rain and unstable soil structure caused 5,000 people to be evacuated and 5 people died. The water level, the inundated the area reached 50 to 300 centimeter. The BNPB Operation Control Center reported that the material losses due to this disaster were 2 houses which were heavily damaged and 10 houses were moderately damaged. Floods and landslides in Manado also resulted in the death of 6 victims. The 6 victims were San Hassan, 30, Maini Pondak, 62, Fanny Polan, 50, Arnie Loren, 43, Chelsea, 7, and police officer Aibtu Kikni Kaulur, 49. According to BNPB data on Sunday morning, floods and landslides that occurred in Manado City, North Sulawesi caused 500 people to evacuate. Number 5. Mount Semeru eruption. Mount Semeru in East Java erupted on Saturday, 16 January 2021. Caused volcanic ash rain in several areas in Probolinggo Regency at 1740 WIB, 21 8 WIB, according to an interim visual observation report. A larger volume of the gray smoke was seen sliding towards the southeast, which was thought to be from the Jonggring Kaluku crater. Volcanic ash rain is expected to head north, adjusting the wind direction. Meanwhile, head of the Center for Volcanology and Geological Hazard Mitigation (PVMBG), Kasbani, said the hot cloud avalanche occurred until 18:35 on Saturday. There was a hot cloud falling from Mount Semeru at 17:24 to 18:34 WIB, with a maximum amplitude of 22 millimeter and a duration of 4,287 seconds. Said Kasbani contacted separately. Kasbani alert status confirmed that Mount Semeru is currently still at level 2 or alert status. PVMBG is currently also conducting further evaluation for people who live around Sumber Majuru village and Curah Kabuan village and its surroundings. It is advised to be vigilant in dealing with potential disaster that can be caused, especially the community around the Kabukan Curah watershed (DAS), to remain vigilant in the face of high rainfall intensity. The reason is that it can trigger cold lava floods. There are no reports of casualties in this incident. The last I say, Summa Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.